So right guys, so what we can see from gold, let's see from weekly, right, it's still in a bullish trend. So number one, what we want to identify is from this here, the trend is still bullish and we have that line. And only touch those that from this pullback, a breakout, pullback, breakout, then touch and breakout. So we want to have that 3 point touch, 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. That's why we use this trend line. All right. So just let me focus. This is starting of the year. 1 point touch that broke out. Third point touch that broke out. Right. Let's make it smaller. So now trend identified is still in the uptrend. However, there's 1 week that's 3 weeks ago that gold make a breakout. So let's go one time frame lower on daily. This is where we saw a break retest. However, it fails to break out this support. So let's also mark one area of support. At the current moment, this is the current support area. Why is it support? Can you see to the left here? All right. It did a breakout, however, it pulled back and respected that as a support. So we identify this as a very strong level of support. So what currently gold is doing, as you can see, it's moving on a sideways trend. What I see is currently is on a sideways. All right, push up, down and down, slide. And now it's in the currently is in the sideways range and is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. All right. So it is still uncertain about gold. However, what we can do is we can trade only based on key levels. So let's identify all the key levels on daily. There's a breakout structure, breakdown. This could be possibly a resistant area currently. So what we can I feel is gold is going to play around within this support and resistance potentially. All right. But when the market open on Monday, then only we can understand. At the current moment, we know there is a resistance and there's a support. So let's mark here resistance. All right, this is our resistance. And I think just looking at this, we can already see where is the support and the resistance. So this is the support and this is the resistance. So how are we going to trade? Are we going to wait until it reaches the resistance and only we want to sell, or we want to wait for the support, then only we want to buy? Because this range, this is a good 900 pips to 1000 pips. We're not going to wait until 900 pips or 1000 pips to trade, you see. So let's go one time frame lower and identify on a H4. As we can see, it's currently playing within this range area. So it's ranging. It's a ranging market. All right. So where do we want to trade? If let's say, we want to have a fast trade, 50 or 60 pips or maybe 100 pips. So let's identify where is our nearest. As we know, this is the current nearest. So when it comes here, we can look for short. And currently the nearest support area that has just been broken is here. There's a trend, downtrend, that has just been broken. So when the market returns here and provide us a good small confirmation. So how do we want to trade this? A good small confirmation is going to be like this. So when the market open, market comes, Slowly it comes, and the moment it comes in, all right, and provide us a breakout, we want to trade here, and where will be our exit? From here is 336, so potentially at the nearest resistance exit, and the next one will be at the last resistance and maximum resistance. So that's how I'm gonna trade next week, and I hope this video will help you guys to trade well also next week. All right. My bias is gonna be on the sideways. It's gonna play around within this range unless gold give us a good confirmation in this H4. All right, it broke here. I'm gonna take a long here for the possibly the current high, or if gold gonna break lower, I'm gonna take shots here, possibly until here. Possibly, I'm gonna swing that until here. All right. So I hope this video is going to be very helpful, and do give me a like, guys.